Okay, fellas, so what we got here is um, a downflow 5-ton unit. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to swap out this air handler with a new air handler, and we're going to looks like it's got a filter rack up on top, so we don't need to change that. This guy is noisy, so we're going to do everything that we can to reduce noise and reverberation. So when we build up this base, if there's anything down there that is making noise, we want to replace that and get rid of reverberation as much as possible. We're not going to do any work with any of the venting. The venting looks good. We're not going to do anything with these line sets that are going up and out. We're just replacing the furnace and trying to make it as quiet as possible. All right, guys, give me a call if you need anything. Thanks. Bye-bye.